Our top story tonight, Governor Gavin Newsom is here on the Central Coast touring vaccination sites. News Channel reporter Dave Alley is live at Cuesta College in San Luis Obispo. Dave, that's one site the governor visited this afternoon.
That's right, Scott. Governor Newsom was here at Cuesta College late this afternoon, touring the vaccination site and also speaking with local county government and health leaders. He said he made the trip here in part to thank them and also the public as well for doing their part to help push COVID-19 numbers as they are right now in the right direction. The governor highlighted how California as a whole, as a state, is moving forward in the fight against the virus, pointing out case rates, positivity numbers, hospitalizations, and other key metrics are not just better than they were a few weeks ago, but significantly better. Case in point, San Luis Obispo County took a major step today, moving into the red tier, and that'll allow many businesses to reopen or move indoors with modifications. Now, the governor spoke to members of the local media for about 20 minutes. He did touch on a number of topics, mostly, though, COVID related. He touted how the state has administered over 9 million doses of vaccine. That's more vaccine distributed than all but 6 nations. He said, quote, "There's not just light at the end of the tunnel." When speaking about the pandemic, he said there's bright light at the end of this tunnel. Now, he also pleaded with the public to stay vigilant in their efforts with all safety measures, especially since several variants of the virus is causing a lot of concern right now. So at the same time as the county and several others around California move forward in reopening, he's emphasizing the state is moving forward at the right speed.
We believe in a tiering strategy, which means we move deliberatively, but we don't overly indulge in terms of reverting back to the way things were until the data, until the science, until the transmission of this disease warrants that move. So we are moving deliberatively, but that's on the basis of the transmission rates of the community spread. And so I think we're doing it very thoughtfully.
And Newsom is also urging everyone who has the opportunity to receive the vaccine to do so. He also expressed full confidence in the new Johnson & Johnson version, which just became available this week. He said he would take that without any question and expects to have over 300,000 doses of that vaccine to arrive here in California within a matter of days. Governor Newsom also spoke briefly about education. After all, he was here at Cuesta College. He is praising local leaders for prioritizing educators in vaccination efforts. He also says he's fully committed to getting kids back into school, and that's one of his top priorities. He says he's backing that up with a $6.6 billion reopening deal just announced yesterday that he expects state lawmakers to vote on later this week. That money would go directly into school districts and allow them to reopen very quickly and do so safely. That's the latest from here, reporting live at Cuesta College in San Luis Obispo. I'm News Channel reporter Dave Alley.
Thanks very much, Dave.